Working in the bridal industry and with the bride since last 13 years, I have experienced and observed a lot of things which a bride faces and come across as an emergency situation, especially related to makeup, hair and draping. And in this video, I have actually listed down all the things which a bride must have in their emergency kit related to makeup, hair and draping, which will really save them from experiencing these unwanted experiences and these emergency situations. So do watch the video till the end. If you are getting married or any of your closed ones, cousins or friends is getting married, and please do share with them as well, because you never know which video or which content can really save their game, because when it's about wedding, it's a live thing happening. There is no retakes, and whatever mishap happens with your look during that wedding experience will be captured on the camera and in the videos. So if you really are not interested in experiencing that, keep watching this video till the end. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanyaa Surana and I like to call myself a connector of possibilities. I'm also a makeup artist and an educator and a bridal makeover, skin and lifestyle consultant as well. In this video, as I told you, that I'll be sharing all the things which a bride needs to have in her bridal emergency kit related to makeup, hair and draping and everything about her grooming and the look, so that she doesn't look bad from any angle, from any way, in any of the photos and pictures. So the first thing I would recommend a bride to have is something which normally you won't see anybody suggesting, and that is an invisible pin. So this is a very almost invisible kind of pin, which is very thin and it looks like a Juda pin, okay, U-pin, and this is a savior. So what happens that, even if the hairstylist have done all the, hairstyle and perfectly looking fine, everything is going good, most of the times you will see that while changing the jewelry, and sometimes because of the varmala or maybe somebody touching bride's head and all of that stuff, sometimes, a little bit of hair will pop out, or, a string of, a bunch of hair will pop out or something like that, and now you don't know how to fix it, because of course you don't have the stylist with you all the time. So this is a savior. So this pin can actually fit anything, from anywhere. If the hair gets disturbed, it can fix that very nicely, very easily, and won't look like that you have fixed anything. Okay, so this pin is a must in your kit, and I'll be making another video and uploading very soon after this video, so please do check out that as well. That's a bridal hack video where I will be showing you how to use this pin effectively and a lot of other things as well to fix a lot of emergency situations. So yes, do check out that video. I'll link down in the description box below, and also link here somewhere as well. So this is the first thing which I would recommend highly to have in your bridal emergency kit. Now the second thing which you must have is definitely a U-pin. So this is a Juda pin which you must have. So of course your hairstylist will put all the Juda pins properly, but at the same time, a lot of times in a lot of rituals, especially in Indian weddings, we see that because of some there is a sarguthi kind of ritual which happens, for which you have to open your hair, and maybe anyway you feel like your bun is little loose or anything can happen, because a lot of times after doing the entire thing, maybe like 2-3 hours, it may happen that you feel something is not going right on your head. So if you have this, you can fix any area and make your bun little tighter, because after varmala, sometimes because of the bride side, they lift the bride, and a lot of masti and all happening. Because of that, it might happen that your bun gets loose. So yes, a Juda pin will definitely help you in getting it in place again. The third thing which I highly recommend, and which is a very normal thing to have, is a safety pin. And when I say a safety pin, I don't say a safety pin, I say a bunch of safety pins, because after varmala, during varmala, nowadays brides also dance during the entries and all that, you might end up having some kind of your dupatta going here and there, anything anything can happen. So please have a bunch of small safety pins and also few large safety pins, because the lehengas are really heavy. You might feel like something from here and there coming out and all that stuff. And in the another video, which is the bridal hack video, I'll be also showing you how to fix things with the help of safety pin, even if there is nowhere safety pin required, but still safety pin can actually fix things. So I'll be sharing that in that video, so please don't miss out on that video. The fourth thing I'll be recommending is having dry tissues. Now most of the time people feel that, you know, in a wedding you will get dry tissues in the, you know, food counter and all that, but I won't recommend using those tissues because they are very textured tissues and very harsh. Okay, so if you are using those tissues on your face or anywhere, it will not be gentle on your skin first of all, and it will definitely damage the makeup. So please have a tissue, dry tissue, which is very soft, very thin, so that it won't disturb the makeup and you can use it wherever and however you would like to use it. So a dry tissue is definitely a must. So the fifth thing, which is the, I guess, the topmost priority thing which you should definitely have, is blotting tissues. Now no matter when your wedding is, either it's summer, it's a winter wedding, whatever wedding it is, blotting tissues are your best friend, and especially the best friend for your makeup, because these blotting tissues, see, you will find it in a lot of places. Like currently I am right now having this from Oriflame. I don't know whether they still have this or not, but you can get it online anywhere. And nowadays I am having, so I have basically 3, 4, 5 of blotting tissues because I have oily skin, so I need that one in my purse anytime. So currently I'm using this blotting tissues from Mumuso. They have wide variety of colors, and basically color doesn't matter, but they have wide variety of blotting tissues and shapes and sizes and all of that, so you can buy from there. And this is something which is really life savior and makeup savior. So see, because of, you know, you're sitting in front of the smoke during the fairas, and you know, sometimes the weddings, the varmalas happening outdoors, it's very normal that you will sweat even in winters, because you're wearing so much of, you know, jewelry, makeup, varmala and the heavy outfit. You will sweat, and you know, that sweat and that heat also comes on your face. So even if your makeup is like waterproof, sweatproof and all, but still that oil can penetrate, and you don't want to take that chance. So this is something which can remove that excess oil from your face without disturbing the makeup. And how cool is that, right? So the sixth thing which I highly recommend is having a spare bindi patta, because this is something which you may require, because a lot of times it has been seen that, you know, because of sweat or because maybe you know, some hand just crossed your face or something like that, and your bindi falls, and without bindi your pictures will really look very different, especially when you were wearing a bindi and then it was not there. Okay, so I recommend having this bindi ka patta, like not the brand specially, but the size and this color specially, because don't buy a red bindi patta. Okay, buy something which is maroonish in color, because that is something which will go very well with any colored outfit and with any bridal look. Okay, so buy this kind of, and the size you can choose according to your convenience, whatever size you're comfortable wearing, but please have this, because this will really save you. And this will also be required, you know, a day after when you take the shower and come out and you wear a sari. This bindi patta is what you need handy to actually match any kind of look during wedding and post wedding as well. The seventh thing which I would highly recommend is having a kajal. So yes, makeup artists do apply kajals which really last long, but lot of people have watery eyes. And sometimes, you know, even the brides, when they get emotional during their wedding, they tend to have tears in their eyes, and that can actually take away or maybe softens the kajal, which doesn't look that sharp as it was looking when it was applied. So having a kajal is a great idea, because you can just, and this is not something which you need any professional to apply for you. You can just take it and you can really just you know, darken your waterline, and you can just feel fresh and, you know, really sharp again. So yes, having a kajal is a must. So the eighth thing which I would definitely recommend, and which is quite obvious, is a lipstick. So now this may be a very common product, but here is the tip for you. So whatever lipstick color you are going to apply, mostly it's not necessary that you will always know. There are some brides who are already sure that they will go for a red lipstick and they demand for that. If that's the situation, please buy a good red lipstick for yourself, which is there in emergency kit. So in case if the lipsticks goes away, usually the lipsticks don't, you know, go off, but still, you know, from the inner lip area and all, if you eat something and if you drink something, it sometimes tends to get away. So yes, having a red lipstick will help you in the touch-up thing. And if you are not sure that what color you would go for, or you want your artist to, you know, choose accordingly whatever suits you, then please you know, discuss with your makeup artist earlier. You can maybe have a nude color lipstick or a red or something which falls, you know, like a semi nudish color. These three colors are, you know, good enough to create any kind of shade which will match with the shade which the makeup artist will apply on you. So yes, that will really help you, and rest you can talk with your artist, and that will be really helpful. The ninth product which I would highly recommend is having a nail filer and a nail shaper. So a lot of times I have seen that if you have gone for gel nails, sometimes the gel nails come off, which is very rare, but still there was one case which I experienced during doing one of my brides. So yes, that will really help you in at least getting the nails in shape, or you know, just dealing with them, because with gel nails you can't use nail cutters. So yes, filer always helps. And even if you're not having gel nails and having normal nails, usually brides have longer nails. They grow nails especially for their wedding day, and sometimes it's seen because of so much of handling things and the lehenga and all, the nails do break, and when it breaks you need something to, you know, shape them at least, so that you don't hurt yourself with that edgy nails. So yes, a nail filer is a must in your kit. So the 10th product, which is again a must have in your bridal emergency kit, is definitely a compact which matches your skin tone. So you must be using some compact in your life, or even if you have never used, please buy one for yourself, because you will be needing during your wedding and post wedding for different functions and for honeymoon and all of that. So having a compact in your kit is a must. Why? Because a lot of times, you know, the fairas happening late night, the makeup stayed there for more than 12-13 hours. So sometimes it has been seen that, you know, the tip of the nose, the makeup from here, you know, really wears off because of, you know, you touching it, or maybe you are having a runny nose and you were literally, you know, using tissues and it has wiped the makeup off. So what will happen is you can have a retractable brush like this. So this one is from Real Techniques. I don't know, I have to see if other brands have this or not, but I really like this. So basically this is a retractable brush. So if you do like this, the brush will come up, and again you can close, and this is how it is used. So I really love this for touch-ups. So this is a retractable brush, and what you can do is you can just roll the brush in your compact and just lightly, you know, just do like this and blend. So what will happen, this brush will help you in blending the area where the foundation is no more, by taking the foundation from the surrounding areas, and it will just balance it out. And this is how this will work. Never use a sponge or that, you know, pads which come with the compact. They are of no use, honestly, and they really cake up your face. Using a brush with the compact is always a greater idea. So just dip it here and, you know, do a little bit of touch up here and there, and if you feel oily, if you feel that makeup has you know, gone off from somewhere, so this will really help you. Last but definitely not the least, and this is one of the rarest things to have in your bridal emergency kit, is a facial razor. So I know that, you know, you have gone for threading, and you know, if you have removed your facial hair with the help of maybe a razor or threading or waxing, it has been seen that in 2-3 days also the hair comes out again. So normally a bride goes for these services 4 or 3 or 5 days earlier than the wedding day, and till the wedding day a little bit of hair in the eyebrow areas or in the upper lip area comes out. So, and most of the time, most of the artists, they don't know how to thread, you know, remove the hair with the help of threading, including me. So I don't know how to do threading. So I also keep this in case if the makeup artist also doesn't have that and they don't know how to remove the hair with the help of thread as well, then this will really save you, because you can just simply, you know, trim off those extra hair or those tiny hairs, because you know what, with makeup even the tiniest hair actually pops out and is visible, okay? And because of the HD cameras used in the weddings these days, everything is visible. So if you don't want those tiny hair to mess up your entire makeup game, so please have this handy in your bridal emergency kit. This will really save you. And because this is a blade thing here, it can help you in a lot of other things as well, and act as a very good tool for any kind of bridal hack as well. So yes, that is all about this video. If you know something which, see, I know there are a lot of other things which are essential in a bridal makeup kit, like, you know, medicines and band-aid and, you know, other stuffs as well, but I didn't want to, you know, cover those things because that is something which already people know about, or there are a lot of videos on that. But especially I wanted to cover these things which is specially related to your grooming thing and your bridal day. So I just wanted to keep it very short and related to these topics and focus topics. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you think that anything else also a bride requires in this grooming thing, then let me know in the comment section below. I would love to add them in my future videos as a suggestion to my audience as well. So this was all about this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you really like this, and please check out my other videos on this bridal series, because those videos are also really different with different content and can be really helpful to you. Watch that if you are getting married, and please share those videos with whoever is getting married in your knowledge, because those videos can really save a bride from lot of things, okay, lot of things which you can only find out once you check out those videos. So yes, definitely check out that, and you can also follow other playlists as well. I have a lot of other content which can be really helpful for you as well. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and give it a thumbs up if you really like the content. And if you are looking for any kind of bridal consultation, I also do bridal consultation, and this is my signature program where I consult bride related to their jewelry, related to their outfit, related to their bridal trousseau, makeup trousseau, skincare, all the treatments which they go for during their courtship period, everything, whatever you have question in your mind related to a bride, I can answer them and really help you and connect you with things which can really help you in dealing with all those questions and your queries. So you can also book a private session with me. The details will be given in the description box below. You can check out that and book an appointment. My team will help you in setting up an appointment with me. And if any question is bothering you and you are hesitant to ask your family members and friends, this consultation is something you need. So yes, I would love to see you in private as well, or in person as well. So this was all about this video. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle where I share a lot of makeup and beauty and fashion and lifestyle related content, and my bridal work is also there. So my portfolio is there. You can check out my bridal work as well, and please keep up with my stories, because on my stories I share everything about my personal life, my professional life, all my workshop updates, consultancy, packages updates and offers, and everything goes on my stories. So if you're connected with my stories, you're actually connected with me to a very greater extent. So yes, do follow that as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and if you are getting married, then happy married life to you ahead, and may this married life and this new decision of yours bring so much of ease, joy and glory to your life.